tired of sounding basic with very every time?
Ever say very good or very tired and feel like you're sounding basic?
Yeah, like your English is wearing sweatpants all the time. Time to upgrade.
Exactly. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
Welcome to The Better Pattern, where we think better, speak better, and live better. Today, stop overusing very. Natives use stronger, precise adjectives instead. We'll share 10 favorites with real examples so you sound natural and fluent.
Let's dive in. Number 1. Instead of very big, huge or enormous.
That party was huge. The cake was enormous.
Way better than very big cake. Sounds lazy, right?
Number 2, very small, tiny, or minuscule.
My phone screen is minuscule now. Can't see anything.
Guilty. Feels more vivid.
Number 3, very tired, exhausted.
After that workout, I'm exhausted, like zombie mode.
Spot on. Very tired is boring. Exhausted paints the picture.
Number 4, very happy, thrilled, or delighted.
I'm thrilled about the trip. Delighted you could join.
Smiling tone makes the joy pop more.
Number 5, very sad, devastated, or heartbroken.
She was devastated when her dog got sick. Heartbroken, really.
Yeah, hits the emotion harder.
Number 6, very good, excellent, or outstanding.
The movie was excellent. Outstanding acting.
Teasing. Better than very good job. Sounds like a teacher report card.
Number 7, very bad, awful, or terrible.
The weather was awful. Rain all day.
Terrible traffic, too. Natives love these for drama.
Number 8, very interesting, fascinating, or intriguing.
That book is fascinating. The plot's intriguing.
Excited. Way more engaging than very interesting.
Number 9, very hungry, starving, or ravenous.
I'm starving. Let's eat now.
Ravenous after skipping lunch. Feels urgent.
Last one, number 10, very angry, furious, or livid.
He was furious when the flight got canceled.
Livid adds that fire without yelling very angry.
So, recap, swap very for these precise ones. Huge, tiny, exhausted, thrilled, devastated, excellent, awful, fascinating, starving, furious.
Practice one today in a sentence. Smiling, you'll sound way more native and confident.
If you're stuck saying very all the time,
Let's break it. Try one right now, out loud.
think better, speak better, live better.
Subscribe for more vocab upgrades, like if this clicked, and comment. Which adjective will you use first? We love your stories.
See you next time.
Bye!